Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Strava app and you will click in this window. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then we'll update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.